Do you like to make this kind of 3D painting Lightbox? So today, let's make it the native way. Stay with SetNFix. First, you need to select a picture. Make sure it's a color photo with good lighting. Resize the image to match your frame size and save it as an image file. Next, go to an online sketch or pencil art website and upload the saved image. Convert it into pencil art. You may need to adjust the contrast and details. Once you're happy with the result, download the file. Now, open the pencil sketch in Photoshop. Carefully remove unnecessary lines and background details, keeping only the main character. After cleaning it up, save this sketch as a separate file. Then, open a full-size canvas in Photoshop and adjust the sketch according to your frame size. This step is very important. You must balance the A4 sheet properly and position the image accurately. Next, load the original color image and resize it to the exact same dimensions as the sketch. To check alignment, reduce the transparency and make sure both images match perfectly. Once everything is aligned, save both files separately. One as the sketch image, one as the color image. Now, mirror the color image horizontally, just like this, and save it again. Open that mirrored image and take a printout. Here, I'm using a normal A4 sheet. And that's it. You're now ready to assemble your 3D painting Lightbox. After the pressing is completed, you need to transfer the mirror image to the other side of the page. Now turn the paper like this. This step may look different depending on your printer settings, so don't worry if the orientation changes slightly. Next, place the mirrored color image correctly so it overlays the sketch image on the A4 sheet. Make sure the alignment is accurate and edges match perfectly. Once everything is positioned properly, go ahead and print the color image directly on the overlay of the A4 sheet. Now, print it. And with that, your layered image is ready for the next step of the 3D painting Lightbox. Now the printing part is completed. Next, you have to find a photo frame with at least 1 inch depth. This is the frame I'm using. First, take the glass out of the frame. Now place the glass on top of the printed image and adjust it carefully. Make sure the image fits perfectly within the frame size. Once aligned, cut the printed document according to the glass size. Now we have the printed image ready, exactly matching the photo frame. Next comes the lighting part. Here I'm using a 5-volt white LED strip. Fix the LED strip neatly inside the frame along the inner edges. After that, place the printed image inside the frame like this and tighten the frame properly so the image stays firm. To maintain the depth and spacing, I'm using foam boards at the back and fixing the cover securely. Connect the LED strip to a USB power supply. Now you can see the power is given to the Lightbox, and the 3D painting effect comes to life beautifully. In this way, you can create different types of images and experiment to see which designs look more attractive. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be innovative. Stay with SetNFix.